Have you ever thought about how important a small motion can be? If motion enables life's flow, makes people smile, steers factories, massive industries, and the whole world. As Kastaş Sealing Technologies, we have been manufacturing high-level engineering products with this goal in mind for over 40 years. Our engineering is for this motion that started it all. With more than 700 employees, a wide range of products for various industries, and our R&D team dedicated to material and product development, our engineering is for innovation, for the vision to become the world's first preferred sealing technologies manufacturer. Our engineering is geared toward progress driven by investments in digital infrastructure, production technology, and machinery, to increase productivity and efficiency with our understanding of impeccability, to create designs beyond their era, using the most advanced production technologies and engineering solutions. With our sales and distribution network, our engineering is to reach the whole world, to carry the world's leading manufacturers in mobile hydraulics, construction, agriculture, production industries forward. Our engineering is to touch people's lives, sustain our nature and the world. For the realization of dreams and the development of the industry, Kastaş. Essentially, our engineering is for the future.